up, and welcome back to my channel. This video is supposed to be going up today and I forgot I didn't film an intro or an outro for it yet, so I'm just popping on the vlog camera since this whole video is on the vlog camera anyway. But yeah, I decided to challenge myself. Actually, I seen Sierra Shultzie do this video where she only wore thrifted outfits for a whole week, and I thought that would be a fun video to do because I have a lot of thrifted clothing and I thought it'd be a fun challenge to just kind of like discover rediscover like old thrifted pieces that I have in my closet. So if you guys want to see the thrifted outfits that I put together for the week, just keep on watching, and without further ado, let's go right into it. Alright folks, so it is Monday and this is day one of a week of thrifted outfits, and this is my outfit. Today I'm just gonna be working on a Today I'm just gonna be working on a closet declutter video. So there's clothes all over the floor right now, but I'm just gonna quickly show you guys my outfit. So we just have this yellow cropped t-shirt, which is originally from Forever 21. Found it at Frenchie's for like $5, so not too bad. Okay, so then we have these just black leggings.
Wow.
From Frenchie's also. And I don't know where they originally came from, but yeah, so today I'm just gonna be working on cleaning out my closet for a video, and I'm gonna be helping my nan clean her house. So that's outfit number one. Oh my god, my eyelash is like coming off. You guys see that? That's not good. Alright guys, it is now Tuesday, and here's today's thrifted outfit. So we have this pink shirt. It has, how am I gonna show this? It has sequins on the sleeves. Says pink, and then maybe you guys can see it in the mirror. It says pink on the back. Oh, that's a cute picture of my niece, by the way. Look how cute she is. It's a cool picture. Anyway, yeah, so this is what my shirt looks like. This came from Frenchie's. I didn't actually thrift it. My aunt thrifted it for me. Every time she finds like pink stuff at Frenchie's, she always gives it to me. It is thrifted. I just didn't hand pick it myself. My aunt picked it for me. So, and then we have another gifted thrifted, I like the way that sounds. Gifted thrifted pants. Paige found these are originally Old Navy. She found them at Frenchie's, and she gave them to me for Christmas. So that is thrifted outfit number two. However, I'll do like a full overview. I feel like you couldn't really see the whole thing. Let me see if I can. Literally, as I just said, I'm working on cleaning my closet, so sorry about the mess, but this is today's outfit. The pink shirt is a little bit big, so I just have it tied at the waist just so it's not like super baggy. But okay, here's the thing. I thought I had way more thrifted bottoms than what I do. I thought I had some thrifted jeans, but I think they may have ripped because all my pants rip. So I'm a little bit worried about thrifted outfits number 3, 4, 5. May have to just recycle the same 2 pairs of leggings. I don't know. I mean, I have like thrifted shorts, but like it's February and I live in Canada and I'm not trying to freeze to death. I don't know. Stay tuned for day number 3 and we'll see what we can figure out. Today is Wednesday, so let's get on with today's outfit. Okay, so we have this pink like cropped sweater. I'm sorry about the mess in the background. This is all of Tyler's stuff back here. Today, I'm just gonna be shooting some Instagram photos, and then I'm gonna be heading to a movie this evening. I couldn't find any other bottoms, so we went back to day 1 pants. Just the same black leggings I was wearing on like the first day. I was just gonna say Vlogmas for some reason, of this like challenge video, I guess. However, when I go to the movie later, I might cheat and I might put on pants that weren't thrifted just because I'm gonna show you really quick. These pants really aren't high-waisted, and I like to hide my gut, you know? So I might change. We'll see. I mean, I'll be wearing a coat anyway, but also the shirt came from a thrift store I like to call Aunt Lenny's Closet because I have an aunt. Her name is Lynn. I call her Aunt Lenny, and she often like purges her closet and gives the stuff to me and my sisters. And I'm gonna count that as being thrifted because pretty much it's the same thing. It's like I didn't buy it new, I got it like used, so I'm gonna kind of count that as the same thing. It was originally from Topshop. I did get it for free because I got it from my aunt, but it's like being reused, so I'm gonna count that as a win for this outfit. And yes, of course, the pants are from Frenchie's because they were in outfit number 1. So yeah, that's today's outfit. Happy Thursday. Happy I didn't feel like doing my hair day. It's day 4 of thrifted outfits. Today, not my best fit, but it's like snowing outside. I didn't really do a whole lot. I didn't get dressed until like 3 o'clock, so we're wearing a frumpy little comfy outfit today. Oh, Tyler's about to walk in the door.
Oh. And this is a lovely little black sweater. There's purple hair over it. And this completes the LifeofFallon. If you just turn around, it's so lovely. It's so lovely. It just complements the figure. It just complements the figure so much. And if you just tilt the camera now, there's a great surprise down here that you just don't know. If you just take a look here. Now if we just remove the pants, if we just take the pants off, that's when the fun really starts, if you know what I mean.
For reals though.
And so anyway.
This sweater's from, again, same thrift store as the sweater from yesterday. Oh, Lenny's closet. So we got these pants from Frenchie's. They're kind of weird because like they just have an elastic top. There's no zipper or anything. It's just elastic. And they're kind of like, they're a little frumpy and baggy, but this is what they look like. And that is Thursday's outfit. All right, it is Friday night, and I will apologize for the awful lighting because it's getting late and I almost forgot to vlog my outfit for today. I'm wearing braids today, which is something I haven't done in a rather long time. Okay, so today I'm wearing this. We've got a mustard, kind of like, it's like cropped, but it's a little bit longer sweater, and it has like these like ties. And yes, I am cheating today because I didn't want to wear the same bottoms, and I wish I had realized I didn't have as many bottoms as I thought I did before I started this video, but I don't have as many bottoms as I thought I did. So today, I'm not wearing pants that I thrifted. I'm wearing my Victoria's Secret high-waisted leggings because honestly, I got them for Christmas and they're my favorite pair of pants. I feel like I can't remember if I said where I got the top yet, but I got it from Frenchie's quite some time ago. You guys have watched my thrift from these in the past. It was definitely in one of those. Which one, I'm not really sure. Oh my gosh, I did this whole clip without realizing my makeup is halfway down my face. I was just laying in my bed watching YouTube, so the makeup's all wonky now. Those were my thrifted outfits for the week. All right, thank you guys so much for watching all the way to the end of this video. If you liked it, please be sure to give a big ol' thumbs up and let me know in the comments down below if you want more like thrifting challenges, because I think that would be fun. I think I might do this video again in the summertime when because I actually have a lot of summer pieces that I've thrifted, not so much winter pieces. Like I don't have a lot of bottoms for winter that I've thrifted, but I have a lot of like summery stuff, like shorts and stuff. So I think that would be fun to do in the summertime. So if you guys want to see that, let me know in the comments down below. And with all that being said, I will see you guys on Friday with a brand new video. And this Friday's video was actually supposed to be posted last Friday, so it's sort of like Valentine's Day-y, but it's also photography related, so I figured it would be okay. So yeah, look out for that, and I will see you guys on Friday. Bye!